Oldu.
Good afternoon, dear students. Today's lesson is we will go into conduct in English. And today's lesson topic is timing the way the architect of economic progressing. Yani, we are going to talk about models of type series like R, Ma, and Arima, and its ways to construct or construction ways. Yani bugungi mavzuyimiz vaqtli qatorlar uchun R, Ma va Arma modellari, ularning bashorati va qurilish yo'llari, tuzilish yo'llari haqida gaplashamiz. Today, Mustafa is going to talk with her presentation. Let's start. You can start.
Thank you. Foundation grid to R, Ma, and the Arma Arima time series, and the left one marginallarda unpredictable functions. Bu chattamandagi qadimgi iqtisodiy grafik bo'lib hisoblanadi. The right one is forecasting model structure precision Arma Arima models. Bu o'ng tarafdagi shu vaqt qatorlariga natijasida kelib chiqqan silliq grafik bo'lib hisoblanadi, takrorlanuvchi.
Yani bu yerda it's real economic data. Yani bu real iqtisodiy ma'lumot. Mana shunday fluctuationlarga, to'lqinlarga ega bo'ladi, tebranishlarga. Bu yoqda esa bizning predict, ya'ni bashorat qilingan yoki silliqlangan ma'lumotlar to'plami bo'lishi mumkin. Biz faqatgina mana shu smooth datani modellashtiramiz va bashorat qila olamiz. Next slide. Put down.
A time series is made up of 4 parts. Its trend, seasonality, and the cycle randomness. Time
In
series.
time series, there are 4 components. First one is trend, second seasonality, cycle, and random noise. Yani vaqtli qatorga tegishli ma'lumotda 4 ta komponent bo'ladi. Birinchi trend, ikkinchi mavsumiylik, uchinchi sikl va to'rtinchisi tasodifiy shouting, random noise.
Trend is long-term direction moving either up or down. Seasonality is regular repeating
Fluctuations.
And the cycle is fluctuation linked to broader macroeconomic cycles. And the randomness irregular,
Unpredictable
variation. Trend bu yuqoridan pastga yoki pastdan yuqoriga bo'lib grafik chiziladi. Mavsumiylik bu takrorlanuvchi bo'lib hisoblanadi. Har mavsumda
Regular degan doimiy.
doimiy.
Repeating fluctuations, qaytalanuvchi to'lqinlar, tebranishlar. Masalan, holiday retail sales, bayram savdolari, bayram tovarlarining savdolari degan. Cycle is fluctuation linked to broader macroeconomic cycle. Ya'ni keng makroiqtisodiy tebranishlar bilan bog'liq sikl degan.
Random noise degan tasodifiy shovqin, bashorat qilib bo'lmaydigan tartibsiz o'zgarishlar.
Tartibsiz, bashorat qilib bo'lmaydigan o'zgarishlar.
The stationary requirement, statsionarlik
Talabi.
talabi. The left stage is non-stationary data. Chap tomondagi bu statsionarsiz data bo'lib hisoblanadi. Mean and the variance change over time. Trend and the seasonality present. Bu ko'pincha trend ham mavsumiylik datalarida ko'p ishlaydi.
Mean and variance change over time. Ya'ni o'rtacha aritmetik va variatsiya vaqt o'tishi bilan o'zgaradi deb qo'ydi. On the right side is stationary data. Constant mean, constant variance and time independent covariance deydi. Doimiy o'rtacha arifmetik.
We made this stationary data and differentiating. Subtract the previous value from the current one. Bu stasionar datani paydo qilishimiz uchun differensial qilishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Buni biz qalay qilamiz? Hozirgi davrdan o'tgan davrga olib taslaymiz, u bizga stationary data paydo bo'ladi. Diagnostic tools. As-Surfer and the As-Surfer. After correlation function and the partial after correlation function. As-Surfer bizlarda MA modelini to'g'ri keladi, datasini to'g'ri keladi, modelni. Undan keyin As-Surfer R modelini to'g'ri keladi. Ya'ni bu As-Surfer measures how correlate a time series is with its own past values. As-Surfer modeli bu o'zining o'tgan davri bilan balansli bo'ladi.
Measures how correlated time series is with its own past values deydi. Ya'ni o'lchaydi vaqt qatoridagi qator o'zidan oldingi o'tgan qiymatlar bilan korrelyatsiyalanganligini o'lchaydi degan.
Mana shuni aytib beradi, ana so'z-so'z bayonlamayman. Tushunganman. Lekin PSCF
Partial after correlation function.
Yes. Measure correlation with past value, but actively removes the influence of intermediate lags. Bu o'tgan past value o'tgan davr bilan qatnashgan bo'ladi, biroq o'rtadagi laglarni olib taslaydi. Ya'ni hodisalarni tushib qolganlarni qatnashadi.
But actively removes the influence of intermediate lags. O'rtadagi laglarning ta'sirini olib tashlaydi degan. Removes deb so'zlarda.
Simple example, image your mood today depends on yesterday and yesterday depends on the day before. Misal ko'z oldimizga keltirib, bugungi simple example olib berayotganda, bugungi настроениеңiz kechagi kunga balansli bo'ladi, al kechagi настроениеңiz bundan oldingi kunga balansli bo'ladi. Aslida solay deydi. As-Surfer is a full chain. Bu As-Surfer full chain'da full